New videos every day.
Let's talk a little bit about superheroes. I really want to talk about medical doctors, but we'll call them superheroes for now. The problem is superheroes are in comic books, they're in the stories, they're in the movies. Honestly, they don't really exist. There are doctors that do superheroic things. I've got a lot of, I just really applaud the doctors in the emergency room. You get hit by a Mack truck, they can save your life, they can put you together. You have a heart attack, any kind of acute event, and maybe there are doctors that we can label as superheroes. But the problem is conventional medicine started to believe it.
Today I want to talk about a mistake of historic dimensions, and that is what we call conventional medicine. The United States has the worst performing healthcare system in the world. We spend more and get less than any country in the world, even when compared to some third world countries. Why is this happening? It's because we have a system of medicine that is fundamentally stupid. Consider how the system works. First, we do nothing to prevent disease. We wait for people to get sick. Once they are sick, instead of curing their disease, we suppress the symptoms by prescribing toxic chemicals and doing surgery. Then the toxicity of the chemicals makes the patient even sicker, creating entirely new diseases. And then finally, to hide the fact that the patient is now sicker than when they started, we don't call these new problems diseases, we call them side effects. So let's get this straight. Conventional medicine does nothing to prevent disease. It does nothing to cure disease, and it creates even more disease. Now, what is smart about that?
By focusing only on the physical body and only giving physical treatments, it's cut itself off from a lot of interventions that are more cost effective than those that we now use. It's unwavering commitment to the use of pharmaceutical drugs I see as a real problem. I think adverse drug reactions are far and away the leading category of doctor-caused disease. The costs of pharmaceutical drugs are a major reason why healthcare costs are out of control. You know, there are other ways of treating many common conditions that don't involve giving pharmaceuticals.
Sure, identify what your symptom is, rule out things that could be even more serious, but figure out what the cause is. Get to it. Learn how to take care of yourself. There are doctors out there that are super heroic. They do amazing things. But the day-to-day practice, the idea that you can do what you want and then go get a pill, you got to get off that. The quick fixes just aren't there. You'll get so much more mileage out of taking care of yourself and being more aware of how your body works.